crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I am super psyched. So just finished the holiday quilting bee a few hours ago and now jumping online to do a recording because my Pink Door Fabrics order just arrived and it says today is going to be a great day. And I have a feeling that's going to be very true. And the fact that I was already on holiday, right? So you're probably seeing this tomorrow morning early, but I am super psyched to open this and share with you some of the goodies that may have come from Pink Door Fabrics. In fact, it even says on the box, it says, surprise, your next Pink Door Fabrics order has arrived. Wouldn't have been so bad if they didn't put tape right over top of it. But anyways, it doesn't matter. So I am so psyched. So what is in here? Oh, this is, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us for the 7th edition of the Pink Door box. We're so, SEW, thrilled to send another stunning package your way. So this is from Pink Door Fabrics. It is a subscription box. I think they do twice a year. And this is a Tula Pink package, right? So look, they even put confetti in there. How cute and adorable is that, right? So you know me, you know Tula Pink, you know I'm going to love that. So let's see what, oh my gosh, guys, like this box. The box is just plumb full. So it's a nice sized box, but look at all the goodies that are in here. So, and please, if you want to comment below and ask about how much I paid, I have no idea. It was something, again, I think they only do these twice a year, so I decided to gift myself that. But the first thing I received is the new Tula Pink gray work. Looks like half-yard bundles, right? Yes, it says you are receiving the full set of 24 total prints plus 6 coordinating solids in this box. So how awesome is that? Look at, guys, I mean, look at, if you like Tula at all, how gorgeous is this collection, right? Oh man, I am so excited. And yes, these are half-yard cuts. So I have the entire gray work collection and half-yard cuts. So yes, if you're Joydy, Brian, one of my buds, you know it's probably going in the Tula Pink drawer, but at some point maybe we'll figure out what to do with that. What else did I get? This is the Tula Pink solids to go with this. So look at this rainbow collection, right? The orange, the golden yellow, the pink, the purple, which is plum, really looks more plum. I love that green and even the blue. So this is the solids collection that goes with this, right? I mean, guys, I am so psyched. I can't believe I got this. All right, what else? Come on, let's make some room. I also received, it's nice because they do give me a flyer to tell me what's what. Oh, this is ribbons. So a ribbon pack from Renaissance Ribbons, 3 stunning ribbons ready to add the perfect finishing touch to your projects. So look at the gray wolf. Man, I'm sorry for the glare. The gray wolf. I love this in the center, and then this one on top, right? So how cool is that? And again, I really apologize for the glare. I had no idea because I don't record in here so much anymore, but I was just too excited not to hurry and get this open. What else is in here? Oh, I got a zipper by Annie Zipper. Custom zippers, 1 brand new custom zipper and a fan favorite coordinating, perfect for your next project. And they sent me purple, so you know me in purple, so that was pretty awesome. Oh, they also sent me a mashed up box which apparently was where the zippers were, or supposed to be. And I got a gray zipper for my project. So that could be fun. We'll see. I've never done a zipper, so that day's coming, I'm sure. What else, John? What else did you get in your box, John? I got bobsled. So how adorable is this? It's a flip-up storage tray for needles. It's by Wonderfil, which I'm a distributor. I just haven't bought anything from for a while. But this is a bobbin and needle travel case. And it came with some pre-wound bobbins, all in the grays and whites. But how cute is that travel case? All right. And then I got the Tula Pink 2.5-inch square ruler by Tula Pink, right? I got some Bianni mesh fabric. I also received the Bianni Easy Does It bag. Oh, I can't. Guess I'm really not supposed to show you the directions. Sorry, guys. But I got the Easy Does It zippered bag and another project called Peacekeeper, which is what the mesh is for. So that's kind of cool. So 2 nice projects were in here. And then they also sent me the Soft and Stable to go with it. And, oh, and of course I'm using the tumblers now, but a binding winder, right? So that's kind of cool. Yeah, acrylic spool from paper pieces. Keep your ribbons or binding neatly wound and easily accessible. And I got the Quilt Works mini project. Includes a free video to guide you through this charming quilt. So this is called Twinkle Star, and it is a Quilt Works pattern. And look at that. I mean, that is pretty awesome. And it tells me on the back all the fabrics that I'm going to need. There's only one that takes a 3/8 of a yard, and so we will have to figure that out. But this is kind of cool, guys. So this may be actually what I use with this this fabric. And then other things I got is says we're putting the finishing touches on an exclusive on-demand class for you to complete the Twinkle Star pattern. It'll be going live by the end of November, so that's kind of cool. Love your pink door box. Keep the fun coming. You already got an eye for color, so this is all about get happy mail every other month. Oh, that sounds expensive though. Special offer for pink door subscribers. To get a mega kit club or a mini kit club, block of the month. Ooh, I do kind of like that. And then thank you for your door box membership. And here's how it works. So current box, no action. Your floral wreath box will automatically ship on December 6th. Oh, it'll bill on December 6th and ships in April. So yeah, this is about every 6 months. So that is perfect. And yes, I bought, oh my gosh. So I did buy the half-yard box, which was apparently $300. So I don't remember spending this, but again, I probably bought this like in April, May, and it just now came in. So I have to really think about if I'm going to spend that kind of money every 6 months. But I don't know, pretty super psyched and excited to get that. So I hope you all will have an amazing day. I hope you're seeing this bright and early going, oh my God, this guy is so excited. He's got to calm down. It just happens. But I appreciate you dropping in. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you to the long and faithful that have been with me for a long time. You know I love Tula. You know I was going to be excited if that showed up. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.